Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to see muted accounts on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Instagram allows people to mute the users they follow on the photo and video sharing platform. When a user mutes someone, they will stop seeing their content on Instagram, but they won't unfollow them. If you want to see the list of muted accounts on your Instagram, you can open your Instagram app, of course. If you want to mute account on Instagram, you can tap and hold into their profile on the upper here. You can choose sample and then you can tap on mute. You can mute story and post. So that's account already mute, and you can see the list of muted account on here. You can tap on your profile, tap on the three lines on the upper right corner here, tap on settings and privacy, scroll down. You can see there is an option muted accounts. You can tap on that. So here the list from the list of the accounts that you has been muted. You can unmute this account by tap on the unmute option like this. You can choose mute all post stories or notes created by this account. Instagram won't let them know that you've muted them. You can turn off the toggle. You can unactivate the toggle by tap on the toggle like this. So the account will be removed from the list, from this muted account list. So that is how to see muted account on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!